Good morning. I am Juan Sebastián Romero Portela, teacher Luis Eduardo Barraza, activity 2. Constructions show beyond you know they show me the Luis Jace. Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia UNAP. Why is the games about? The game's mathematical Ruiz and Gestein featuring a robot. The robot's Catherine is cringe. A space scenting novel. Where is no word SAB stick. Actual mechanism the stir when you click the grains flag. The grains reset to score go by 2 and J trains optical means calibre street tracking sequence. The game plays. The game plays the robots apparent in the center and unit floating sees bullets is through and wrong match operation to a sample. One match is 4 plus feet. The input and the buttons of the screen stays bar opens for the user to take the onwards with the keyboard and presses enter or the teeth checkbook. The hit and miss system. A system of the hits and errors is used generates the robot James Happy SAS current. A laser zoom effect play 1 points is added to the score and it immediately moves to another addition if you verify the robot lets you come. You might misguide bit sign incorrect. I am error 2 place. I am is moved to next question. This game over and you play the change comes 2 seconds, B seconds, exact moments the teacher should see echo competence stop the games and your final score in front in screen. If you had it grown, if you had grown the roads less you come, you might have missed be science. Incorrect. I am wrote to place I am movies on the next question. It don't cut points was but you loses value seconds. The game over. The game over will you play the 10 seconds, 2 seconds, b seconds, the exact moments, the streets hit, the count completed, stu treat, and gains, stop, halt, and your finals scored from on the screen.